Welcome friends. In the last example we have seen how Abby says. Now we will see how we can make Abby talk by using a voice. So you can select text to speech, and from the text to speech I am going to use set the voice to speak. Now the Abby will speak, and I will just use my join into the speak instead of saying. So here, whenever we click on Spirit, it will ask the name. We will type the name, let's say Lavit, and hear the outcome.
It's nice to meet you, Lavit. How are you?
Now, as we know, by using the join, you can make it speak. Now
Hello.
we will totally complete this project into speak instead of saying. Here I am going to add, when user click on the Abby, it will speak something. We will set the voice and we will make Abby to speak the same as she was saying in the last class. It says, "Hello, I am Abby." And then we will ask, Abby will ask, "What's your name?" and we'll wait for an input. So let's change it. "Hello, I am Abby. What's your name?" And then let's run it. So here is the name. We are using join, but we need to take an input of the name. If you didn't take the input of the name, that is ask what's your name, see how it is going to run.
Hello, I am Abby. What is your name? It's nice to meet you, Lavit. How are you?
It is not asking for the name. So we need to add the sensing that say ask what is your name, so that we will have a value of name. So for this, we need to use the ask. So here I will take the ask and drag and drop after the speak. When Abby say, "Hello, I am Abby. What is your name?" Now let's see what is going to be happen. When I click on the Spirit,
Hello, I am Abby. What is your name?
it will ask for the name. We will type the name, and here it is.
It's nice to meet you, Lavit. How are you?
Try it out, my friends.